Breathwork is literally taking over the world. And it's a beautiful thing because it's gonna replace meditation, because it can instantly drop you in. And you no longer have to wonder, am I doing it right? Is this the right way to breathe? And what do I do at what times? Because we have this session today. That being said, we're gonna start with a simple inhale for about 5.5 seconds. Exhale out of your nose for about 5.5 seconds. And follow the rhythm. If you'd like to count with your inner clock, please do it. And just find this beautiful coherence. This breath I like to do in the meetings, on the planes, wherever I travel, wherever I am, because it brings your HRV up higher, your heart rate variability. It's the best way and known for your stress levels. So stay in this line. Keep on breathing slowly but surely into your nose and out of your nose. Now this technique will literally start bringing you deeper, slower, into those subtle states of realms of consciousness, moving you from that beta thinking mind into that alpha, theta, that creative, restorative mind. Keep on breathing in the same rhythm for just a little bit longer and just embody yourself. Move into your full body awareness, not just being in your mind, questioning if you're doing it right. Let go of your thoughts and just breathe slow. Inhale, 5.5 seconds, and exhale, 5.5 seconds. Now wherever you are, just pay attention to your body touching the ground. Sense the room or space around you and just increase your awareness to be even greater than your mind.